Welcome to the wonderful world of Megan's art!
Huffin' and draw, together let's huffin' and draw, together let's huffin' and draw.
My wings are colorful. What am I? Hi guys, so today I'm going to be drawing, but not a regular drawing. It's a game drawing. So today, I'm going to be giving you clues and you're going to try to guess it. Let's get started. First clue. I crawl before I fly. My wings are colorful. What am I? Leave it in the comments. Some people say I taste with my feet. What am I? Leave in the comments. Let's keep going. When I get too cold, I cannot fly. What am I? Let's continue. It's a butterfly! Did you guys guess it? Good job if you did! Bye bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye!